this is a bit, not traumatic, that's really over egging it, but it's stressful probably. Anxiety inducing. Oh, it's going. Oh my god, this is gonna pop. This is legit gonna pop, which is good. I wonder if I should cut it from the other end. There's like a little edge holding it in this end as well. Oh man, this is fit to burst. Fit to burst. See what we got this end. Right, this is apparently going to absolutely pop. So yeah, hence you've got to be careful when you're doing this bit. Which, yeah, understandable. I can literally sit. Oh my god. Scissors down. Oh my fucking days. Oh good. Good. Good if anything. Brilliant. Well, I mean that was a lot more stressful than basically it's in the wrong position. Right, in danger of hitting the bookcase now, so that's good. Brilliant. Right. So now I need to gently place this. Good. I do sort of wish that I knew how it was. Oh, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine. We're good, we're good, we're good. We're good. Oh my god. Fine. That's fine. I mean, it's just alarming that I had a pair of scissors in my hand. You know, an open pair of scissors. Oh yeah. Open this exploding package while you're holding a sharp object. Good. Good, that is good. To be fair. And yeah, it does smell weird. It says on the packaging it might smell weird. It says don't be alarmed, it's normal. Borderline smells of fish, so good. Right, hope we don't hate this. Good. To be fair, very, very good. That is good. Right, anyway, it's out. I'm going to turn this off. Oh god, don't look at my body. Paint me like one of your French just Jack. Oh, awful. Yeah, nice and firm. Oh, so the actress is a bishop.